Hey, everybody, and welcome to another one of our amazing success case scenarios. Where today we have a very, very special guest, someone who's very dear to our house because he was here as an early adopter and has been giving us feedback and sharing all his insights with our community. So, Vincent, I want to thank you for being here for this session. And I will let you introduce yourself so you can tell everyone what you do, what your agency is about, how long have you been in business, so we can kickstart the conversation.
Hi, thank you, Carolina, for inviting me. My name is Vincent Anzellini. Carolina already introduced me. I've been in digital marketing for over 20 years, way before it was called digital marketing, working with SEO and email marketing back in 2002, 2004. I remember like lead generation was like a dream in the way that exists right now with the tools like Play that we have nowadays. It was only a dream that now we can achieve, and we can actually like use towards being more efficient in helping our clients get results, monitor those results, manage to get them better results all the time. And for us in our company, Kyros AI, it's been a pleasure to actually find a tool like Play that allow us to have the blessing of having a platform that is overlooking the campaigns, working with the budgeting of the campaigns, working with all the assets, seeing what works better for our clients. So when we go and see, the only work we do is tell our clients how it is and tell them, don't worry, everything is getting changed to get you better results.
That's amazing to hear, Vincent. And yes, everyone, he is a very insightful marketer who has been in business for a while. But I wanted to ask you, Vincent, what kind of clients do you usually work with? Who are they? Are they small businesses? Are they big? What do they do?
Well, we have a good mix. We have like very small companies that have like budgets from like $300 a month to $500 a month. But we also have like bigger clients that have like $3,000, $5,000 a month, and even more. The thing is that what I love about this platform, different than all the platform that we tried before, is that it allows us to get everybody, doesn't matter how big or small, inside the same platform, and it helps them amazingly. Doesn't matter if they only have like a few dollars a month, or if they have like a big budget to towards their campaigns, as well as the we can like get all the platforms that they're using: Google, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and we can optimize all these campaigns and in one folder, helping them put their money to work better results for them in their campaigns.
That's awesome. That's awesome to hear. And yes, a lot of the agencies we work with have clients of all sizes, and that's the beauty of it. By continuing with the conversation, Vincent, how did you find out about Play? How did you get here? How was your journey starting?
Well, it's amazing because I was in a group and they were talking about like things that we can like use to get better results with ads. And there was an affiliate of Play that contacted me and told me, listen, this is what I use. I use multiple platforms, but so far this is the one that worked the best for me. And he was like kind enough to like show me a demo and work with me to get 14 days trial and help me set everything up, show me the ropes, show me all the amazing perks that you get with the platform. And I fell in love with it. I fell in love with it. Now this was probably not even close to the platform that we have today. Know all the functionalities that we can enjoy nowadays were available back then. But even though, just the fact that was a place that allow you to get you like different text and put everything to compete and get you the better assets in your campaigns so your client get better results. That was amazing. But there was something else that also was amazing, is that today we have a trend that is AI. So when you tell somebody that you've been in
Mhm.
business for 20, this is amazing, but it's true. This is like, it's kind of weird, but you tell someone, you tell a client, listen, I've been doing this for 20 years. I've been putting ads and working with ads way before Facebook had ads, when only Google and a few other platforms had like like options to like put paid media. But let me tell you something. I will do the best work that anybody else. It's not as powerful as when you say, I have an AI platform that do everything for you. It's like the 20 years, you can throw it down the drain. You can throw it down the drain. They don't care. Is that an AI platform? Yes. And you know, a former employee of these big companies that you run your ads with, he actually developed this with all the knowledge that they have, the best practices, and he has the best employees working with them, getting this like as the top like tool for ads with AI out there. And I have it, and I will put your ads in there. Okay, tell me how much is it?
Sold immediately. That's
Oh,
brilliant.
because when you get the trends that are out there and you use them as part of your sales pitch, you will have better closings. You will have better closings. Again, it's amazing. If I've been doing this for a long time, they don't care. They will compare me with
Mhm.
somebody in Latin America. They will go, oh, but I had somebody that charged me half of what you're charging. Or, you know what, I have somebody that do this a little bit different. But when you show them the platform and everything that it can work there, even if it's a do for you service or a do
Mhm.
or a or they have to do it themselves, doesn't matter. They are sold as soon as they see it.
That's brilliant. And now, Vincent, I want to share with everybody one of the amazing things you shared with us. And when we saw them, we were astonished because these are amazing results. So let's take a look at this client of Vincent. And I will let you explain the whole thing. Just know that this is a client that's running a drone academy in Miami, Florida, if I'm correct. So,
Yeah.
Vincent, can you tell us a bit about this client and about these two campaigns and the results we're seeing?
Well, the amazing thing about this client, it's a drone training school. So that's actually his name. It's a drone training school. So the thing with this company is that their target, it's people enthusiasts on the drone industry that want to get a commercial license to be able to work with drones and charge money to companies to like do different works with drones. Can be photography, video, or like different things in different industry. I didn't even know like how many things that you can do nowadays with drones. But the thing is, like, when you have a campaign that is so narrow and in a place that is so competitive like Miami, Florida, in an industry that is so small as well, but it's growing. Usually the cost per lead can go all the way to like 13, 14, $15 per lead, not per
Mhm.
client. So we were trying to do like different things before actually the platform and everything, before we found Play. And we were able to get it like to $7 per lead. When we got started with Play, we started with a regular campaign, okay, with target interest, and also we did a lookalike campaign.
Mhm.
We got a list of people that were the target that will usually look to get the commercial license. So we created a lookalike on Facebook and Instagram, and we ran the two campaigns. The amazing thing here is that when we tried that, we got cost per lead of $2 in the lookalike that nowadays is 1.49 cents.
Wow.
$1.49 per lead in the lookalike. And it's less than 189 per lead. I think it's like 169 or 165 in the target interest one. To the point that the client it's so happy that even though I'm not working with him as an agency, he still wants his campaigns to be run by Play. He doesn't want to get them out because he knows that as long as the campaign is running and we put like different things in there, the platform is going to be managing the budget, managing the text, the copies, managing the media, all the creative in there. So he is like he rest assured that his campaign is in the best hands. Plus, he's having an amazing result already.
And this is amazing. And this is results that come from continuous testing and optimization and just letting AI do its work. And like Vincent was saying, he is a marketing professional that's been in business for 20 years and knows everything about campaigns because we have some amazing chats. But he is also using a platform to boost results and to power everything that he's doing. So, having said that, Vincent, one last question. If you could give a tip to someone who's a newcomer or thinking about joining Play, what would you say?
Take advantage of like all the different things that they get for free, like the university, like the Facebook group is amazing. Every time you ask a question, all the videos that you already have in the platform, take advantage of everything. Besides the platform itself, all the perks that comes with it are like it has no value. It's amazing because like in other platforms that I work with, you have a lot of things that are pre-recorded and stuff like that. Here in this company, they're always improving, always getting new stuff. Plus, you get access to real people that work with the company to help you fix problems or to answer your questions or to help you out get started and know all the tools that you're going to get with the platform.
That's amazing, Vincent. And thank you so much for being here, for taking the time of sharing your experience and everything that you are doing. We are going to leave a PDF with the results that you can download, take a look at everything that he's been doing. You can contact him if you want to reach out for advice, asking for his services, or anything like that. And we will see you in next episode. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Vincent, again.
Thank you.